Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This month has been extremely busy for me in so many ways. That's why I haven't been uploading, but I'm finally back to uploading on my channel and I am all moved into our new apartment. So I'm super excited to show you guys the new apartment. So when you first come into the apartment, to your right is this gigantic kitchen, which is my favorite room, and it comes with a bunch of stainless steel appliances that are brand new, a nice hardwood floor, and beautiful marble countertops. This is seriously my favorite room in the entire place because we all know that I love to bake and cook. One of my favorite things in the kitchen is also this brand new stainless steel stove. I've never had a stove like this that was just a flat surface. I've always had the gas or electric stoves where it was super difficult to clean because of all the nooks and crannies. But this one's super easy to clean because all you have to do is wipe it up after you're done. I am madly in love with this refrigerator, by the way. It's almost as tall as me. I love it because it's super big. Right now it's pretty empty, with the exception of some Sprite, butter, and water. Weird combination, I know. But I like that it's very spacious. It has a lot of storage space. The freezer is another story. This thing is a giant polar vortex. One of my other favorite parts of this kitchen is the gigantic sink. It is a farmhouse style sink. It is nice and big. You can fit a ton of dishes in here and just let them soak and just wash them as you go. Right across from the kitchen is the dining area. We weren't able to use our dining table at the previous place because literally we had no dining room. So this table was actually against the wall and we could only fit 2 people. But now we finally have a nice spacious dining area where we can actually fit 4 to 6 people. So it's amazing. I really like this room as well because of all of the natural light that comes in. So you could be eating lunch or breakfast and the natural light will just hit your face and radiate. Right across from the dining room and kitchen area is the living room. This living room is also furnished with a hardwood flooring, just like the kitchen and dining room. We also furnished it with a big sectional, our TV stand, and various game consoles. So if you guys play video games as well, let me know what kind of video games you play. Maybe we can add each other as friends. Recently, I just got a Nintendo Switch for Christmas, so I've been playing a lot of The Legend of Zelda and Mario Party. If you guys have any other favorites, just let me know in the comments below. So this is the gaming / office area. Like I said, we're a big gaming family, so we have TVs and gaming consoles in literally every room. Behind me, we have a big computer desk with more games for the computer. And then on this side of the room, we have a nice couch. So whenever we have guests and companies over, they can sit there, enjoy some tea, and play some video games with us. In this corner of the room, we have a big bookshelf fitted with some trophies, awards, decorations, and of course, board games, because who can have events and parties without board games, right? So next door to the office / gaming room is the bedroom. So this bedroom is not furnished yet. The only thing that we bought was this gigantic bookshelf. Besides that, we haven't furnished it, so it's a little bit messy in here. So please don't say anything mean. But right over here is our walk-in closet. I really love walk-in closets because of the enormous amount of clothes that I always have. Literally, funny story, I ended up donating about 5 or 6 bags to Goodwill, and I still have a bunch of clothes. But I guess everybody has their own passions and hobbies. Mine happens to be baking, cooking, and clothing, so what can you say? Coming out of the bedroom, down the hallway, you come to our laundry room. It has a full-size washer and dryer, and it has tons of space up top to store all of our essentials to washing our clothes. And we have a nice little corner to store our laundry baskets. So, welcome to the bathroom. I really like this bathroom because it is furnished the exact same way as the kitchen, with nice marble countertops, as well as a nice hardwood floor. This bathroom has 2 sinks compared to 1. So whenever you have guests over, they can use another sink and vice versa. I also really like this toilet. I know the littlest things make me happy, and this toilet definitely makes me happy because it is a push toilet. You literally just push a button and it flushes the toilet. Crazy, I know. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this apartment tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It is different than what I normally do on the channel. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And I wanted to tell you guys quickly about the new uploading schedule. So I will be uploading 2 videos a week. One will be a baking video and one will be a cooking video. And One of my New Year's resolutions was to try to eat healthier, so I will be incorporating a lot more healthier desserts and entrees into the channel. If there's any suggestions for anything that you'd like to see me make on the channel, just leave a comment down below. And as always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you in the next episode.